welcome to another episode of What the And again, we're working from home. My name's Nick, I'm the Chief Executive at VisitorQ, and in this series, we teach you super practical tips and tricks to help your company grow. In this episode, we'll be talking about how you can create easy sales and marketing automation flows using a tool called Zapier. This is a simple trick that VisitorQ has used for many years to create sales and marketing automation flows to easily transport data from one software to another. So let's get started. If you're a regular consumer of VisitorQ's content, you've probably heard us mention Zapier several times. Zapier is a great software that allows you to easily integrate thousands of software that otherwise wouldn't have been possible. They act as the third-party plugin between all these software, enabling the largest and smallest of software to integrate with each other without having to build native integrations. You can use this to your advantage to automate the flow of data across all your different software. As an example, if you're using Google Forms to collect customer feedback and want that data to be entered into your CRM Pipedrive, you would have to manually enter that information as Pipedrive doesn't have a natively built integration with Google Forms. However, Zapier is integrated with both Google Forms and Pipedrive, allowing you to easily integrate the two to automate the flow of the Google Forms data into Pipedrive. Setting up these integrations is very simple and robust, offering you all the data fields, filtering, matching, and so on that you would need. At VisitorQ, we use several Zapier integrations. One example is integrating Involve.me, which is our quiz and calculator builder, with Keep.com, which is our CRM. With this data from our quiz and calculator now flowing into Keep, we run email automations on those users to follow up with them. You can do the same using Zapier as your integration plugin. That's all for this episode of What the Ensure you like this video and subscribe to the channel to be alerted of new episodes.